If you're starting out learning data analytics and the word statistics makes you uncomfortable, this video is for you. Welcome back to our Introduction to Data Analytics series. In the previous video, we talked a little bit about the data cleaning process. And in this video, we're going to be learning some relevant statistics that every beginner needs. Statistics are tools that help to summarize and describe your data set. They give a quick snapshot of what your data looks like and are very foundational for understanding your data set. Statistics can help you determine whether or not the changes in your data set are significant, whether the patterns you're looking at are random or meaningful, and it can also help you determine how reliable your insights are. The first set of statistics we're going to be talking about today are the measures of central tendency: mean, median, mode. These measures tell us where the center of our data is or what the typical values of our data set looks like. The mean or average is the sum of all values divided by the number of values we have. It is very useful when you have symmetrical data, but sensitive to outliers. The median is the middle value when your data is sorted. It is less affected by outliers and good for when you have skewed data. For example, if you're analyzing salaries in a small organization and you have that one executive who earns way more than everybody else, taking an average or mean would not give you the true center of your data set. In this case, the median will most likely be a better picture of what most people in the organization are earning. Mode is the most frequent value in your data set. This is useful for when you have categorical data. The second set of statistics we're going to be talking about today are the measures of variability. These tell us how spread our data is. First is range. Range is the difference between our highest value and our lowest value. It is a very simple measure but can be misleading when you have outliers. We also have variance and standard deviation. These are more robust measures and they tell us how far individual data points deviate from the mean or average. Now, we want to see a small standard deviation, so the smaller the better, because a larger standard deviation means more spread and it can be an indicator that our data set is unpredictable or too variable. The last measure we're going to be looking at today is correlation. Now, correlation measures the strength of the relationship between two variables as well as the direction of that relationship. A caution note with this though. Correlation does not mean causation, so two variables can move together without one causing the other. If this video has helped you understand foundational statistics, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on new uploads, and leave a comment below to tell us what you've learned or what you're most excited to learn about. See you in the next one.